EasyPianoOnline. Today we will learn the march from the Nutcracker suite. This is the first part of the song, and we will learn it in the first video. To learn the rest of the song, visit our website, and let's begin. So the right hand starts with first and third fingers on A and C. Then we play a triplet. Next we have A and D, fingers 1 and 4. Repeat it again. Then we have A and E, then A and C, and A and D. This first part will repeat again. So A and C, triplet, then A and D, again, A and E, then A and C, and A and D. Now we have the dotted part, so fourth finger starts on B flat, then a quick short C, back to B flat, A, G, then F. Left hand will pick up from there, but we'll go over it when we go over the left hand. Then we have fourth finger on A, fifth is on B flat, then G, F, then first is on E, left hand picks up from there, then third finger is on F, second is on E, D is on first, then fourth is on G, then F, then second is on E, third is on A, fourth is on B flat, third is on A, then second is on G, first is on F, and we have two notes together, E and C. Let's go over the left hand. Left hand starts with first finger on F, second is on E, third is on D, fourth is on C, together C and E, fingers 4 and 2, first is on F, and D and F. This first part repeats again. First finger on F, second is on E, third is on D, fourth is on C, together C and E, first is on F, and first and third is on D and F. In this next part, we start with first finger on D, fifth is on G, third is on B flat, first is on E, second is on C, and fifth is on F. Third is on A, second and first on B flat and D. Fourth is on G, third and first on A and C sharp, second is on B, first is on D, fourth is on G, second is on B flat, and two times we play the C. We will now try hands together. So, left hand starts with first finger on F, right hand plays A and C, fingers 1 and 3. Then left hand plays second finger on E, while the right hand plays the same two notes, A and C, 3 times. Moving on to third finger on D, right hand, A and D, fingers 1 and 4. Right hand repeats the same two notes while the left hand plays fourth on C. Then we have left hand, fourth and second on C and E, right hand, first and fifth on A and E. Then we have left hand first on F, right hand first and third on A and C. Then left hand third and first on D and F, right hand first and fourth on A and D. This first beginning part will repeat again, so we'll repeat it again. Left hand first on F, right hand first and third on A and C. Together. Then left hand third on D, right hand first and fourth on A and D. Left hand moves down to C. Left hand C and E, right hand A and E. Left hand first on F, right hand first and third on A and C. Together, left hand third and first on D and F, right hand first and fourth on A and D. We will now shift gears to the second part of the beginning. Left hand starts with first finger on D. Right hand is prepared to come in with fourth finger on B flat. D. Left hand plays G with fifth, right hand plays B flat with fourth. C, B flat, third is on A, together left hand third on B flat, right hand second on G, right hand first on F, left hand picks up from there with first finger playing E, second is on C. Now left hand fifth is on F, right hand fourth is on A. Fifth is on B flat, back to A. Third is on G. Together left hand third on A, right hand second is on F. E. Left hand together, B flat and D. Right hand third on F. Left hand fourth on G, right hand second is on E. First is on D. Left hand third and first on A and C sharp. Right hand fourth is on G. Together, left hand second on B, right hand third on F. Right hand second on E. Left hand first is on D. Right hand third is on A. Together, left hand fourth on G, right hand fourth on B flat. Right hand third is on A. Together, left hand second on B flat, right hand second is on G. Right hand first is on F. And together, left hand plays C, right hand plays E and C. 2 times. This is it for the first part. Please check the website for part 2.